All right, so now I want to teach you how to use a massage gun on a person's back if you have something stabilizing like a nice massage chair. And now I have Rebecca here. She's ready to get that massage gun on her back. So let's get started. Let's not waste any more time. I'm going to turn on the massage gun. Let's get it to about a medium frequency, nice and strong there. I'm going to protect her bones, and we're going to just start on that back. We're just going to work that muscle, getting the muscle nice and relaxed. As you see, for a cool down, I'm just going nice and slow. We're not in a rush to take care of this. You want to feel the muscle relax. And if you have that hand for stability and to protect, you also can pay attention with that hand to how deep they're breathing. If you're really doing this right, they're going to start breathing deeper and deeper. They're going to relax into this. Then we start getting into that lower back where you have a lot of fascia. All right, so we're just going to really work that fascia on the lower back, because when this gets tight right here, this can be responsible for a lot of stiffness causing lower back pain. You want to get right along the border where the glutes and the lower back meet. Go up and down or make little circles in that area to separate the gluteal tissue and the gluteal fascia from the lower back fascia and tissue. Getting right in there. Go along to the side, cover that whole lower area. Then from here, we can cross the midline, avoid the tailbone, and we can start in the same thing. I'm going to do the same exact thing except in reverse order. So now we're working that area between the glute and the lower back, getting her to relax. Again, with the resting hand, you can feel the muscle relax. You can feel the person breathe deeper, all signs that you're getting that result you want. Then we come up, avoiding the spine, but getting right into that muscle. One thing I like about this massage gun, you can hold it in different positions by how it's designed. So if you get tired, you just switch your grip and you keep going. And if you needed this massage gun, I left a link in the description so you could get one yourself. Then we come up. I'm going to switch my hands so I protect the spine again. Coming right up into that upper back. Again, the base of the neck has a lot of muscles, and it also has a lot of fascia, so we can work right into there with the massage gun, getting everything to relax. I'll push down on the shoulder blade a little bit just to open up the trap and really get that upper trap muscle. Then from there, after about 5 minutes, you'll have just used the massage gun to cool down a person's back.